Cauca Department. The area includes 2.56% of the country. Cauca Department is divided into 42 municipalities, 99 districts, 474 police posts and numerous villages in populated places. The municipalities are grouped into 27 circles and 29 notaries notary. A circle-based registration in Popayan and 8 sectional officers based in Bolivar, Caloto, Puerto Tellado, Santander de Quilichao, Patia, Guapi and Silvia makes up the judicial district, Popayan, with 8 seats judicial circuit in Popayan, Bolivar, Caloto, Guapi, Patia, Puerto Tellado, Santander de Quilichao and Silvia. The department makes up the constituency of Cauca. It has many small towns and indigenous reservations such as the Lopez Adentro Reservation. The relief of the territory of the Department of Cauca belongs to the Andean system at the macro level. 7 distinguishing morphological units: the Pacific Plate, Western Cordillera, Central Cordillera, Highlands of Popayan, Macizo Colombiano, Valle del Patia and the sector of the Amazon Basin. The Pacific Plate comprises 2 sectors: the alluvial coastal belt or platform characterized by low, covered with mangrove forest, swampy, both the quantity of rivers, estuaries and reaching the Pacific coast, such as being subjected the ebb and flow of tides. The other area is the actual plain of hills comprising the western slopes of the Western Cordillera. The Western Cordillera in the Cauca extends from southwest to northeast. Among the most important landmarks are the Blade of Napi, the hills of Guajuas, Manchik, and Naya, and the Cauca River Valley. The Central Mountain Range crosses the department from south to north. Relevant landmarks include Sotra Volcano, Peticas Nevado del Huila, and the departmental boundary, the Highlands of Popayan, sandwiched between the Western and Central Cordilleras, is seen as a landmark within the plateau of the Hill of La Tetia. Among the most representative landmarks of the Colombian Massif, shared with the department of Huila, are the Páramo del Buey, the volcanoes of Katanga and Puris, the Peak of Palatra, and the Sierra Nevada of Coconacos, Patia Valley, framed by the central and western mountain ranges, where the Patia River runs north-south extends to the department of Nariño. The Amazon Basin corresponds to the so-called Bota Caucana, through which the Caqueta River. The Colombian Massif, also called the Nudo de Almega, is a mountainous group of Andes Colombianos covering the departments of Cauca, Huila, and Nariño. In the south is the Nudo de los Pastos, and the north, central, and eastern mountain ranges emerge. The Colombian Massif is a strategic national and international level, given its significance for water production, biodiversity and ecosystems, an area that represents a special conformation of the regions with more potential for development. In Colombia, the Cauca River system consists of 5 major basins: Alto Cauca, Pacific, Alto Magdalena, Patia and Caqueta. Alto Cauca, formed by the Cauca River and its tributaries, Palo, Gengu, Negro, Teta, Desbaratado, and Quilichao, Mondomo, Ovejas, Pescador, Robles, Piedras, Sucio, Palis, Cau, Honda, Cajibio, Piendamo, Tunia, Molino, Timbio and Blanco. The Pacific, made up mainly by rivers Guapi, Timbiqui, Sager and Mickey. Alto Magdalena. The main river is the Paez River, which is fed by the rivers San Vicente, Moras, Ullucas, Negro y Negro de Narvaez, and the streams Tos, Simbola, Salado, Gualca, Gallo, Macana, Honda and Totumo. Patia Basin consist of the Patia River and its tributary rivers Guaxtanoco, Ismita, Bojolio, El Guaba, Sambingo and Mio. Caqueta Basin consist of the Caqueta River where the rivers Cosiaco, Cascabelito, Verdeco, Mundiaco, Fragua, Cascabel, Curiaco and Paqueco. Gorgonia and Gorgona Islands are located in the Pacific Ocean, belong to the territory Cauca. The Cauca economy is based primarily on agriculture and livestock production, forestry, fishing and trade. Agriculture has been developed and modernized in the northern department, with the main crops being sugar cane, cane panela, conventional maize, rice, corn tech, banana, agave, yucca, potatoes, coconut, sorghum, cocoa, groundnut, and palm. In the Pacific region is extracted gold, silver and platinum. Other non-precious minerals that are exploited are sulfur, asbestos, limestone, talc, gypsum and coal. The manufacturing industry is located in Popayan, Santander de Quilichao, Puerto Tellado with factories of food, beverages, dairy products, paper, packaging, wood processing, sugar industry and paper processing for export. The main centers of commercial activity are Popayan, Santander de Quilichao, Patia, Puerto Tellado, Piendamo and Corinto, Amazonas Antioquia Arica Atlantico Bolivar Boyaca Caldas Caqueta Casané Cauca Ciza Choco, Córdoba Cundinamarca Guainia Guavia Huila La Guajira Magdalena Meta Narino and Santander Putumayo Quindio Risaralda San Andres Santander Sucre Tolima Vale del Cauca Wapswick,